Today is a Friday and your first period will be EVS for you. Your first period is EVS now. So all of you be ready with your textbook. All be ready with your textbook. So let us start our new lesson. Third lesson, that is parts of plants of backyard. Plants of backyard. Third lesson. Plants of backyard. So third lesson is plants of backyard. So all of you open your textbook page number 25. Open page number 25. Second, plants of backyard. Now, see students, I think you are ready with your textbook page number 25 and name of the lesson is plants of backyard. Say you have seen till now you have seen so many plants and also in front of your house and should and some outside. You have seen so many plants and now and in front of your house there will be some small garden there or in front of in back side of your house. So if places are there, you will be planting some plants and all, and you might be knowing some of the plants. Now here are some plants. Let us identify them. Now in page number 25. Let me show you some plants. And now once again, or if not marked, you can mark them. So right here, identify and write their names. Identify and write their names. Now here, first plant you can see here it is sugarcane plant. It is sugarcane plant. Sugarcane means kambu what we call. So right here, sugarcane. 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 Understood? First one is sugarcane. And next one, second one right there, maize. Second one, maize. MAIZE, maize. This is the second one, maize. Right, second, maize. Maize means munjala. The ಗೋವಿನ ಜೋಳ what you call munjala ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂಜಾಳ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು? Have you seen it? So now this is the maize. Understood? Now after maize, this one you can see the fruits, red colored fruit, and this is nothing but a vegetable plant, that is tomato. So third one is tomato. TOMATO. Right? Tomato here. So next, here you are seeing the next plant, that is tulsi plant. Tulsi plant, which will be there in front of your house. And everyone will be having here this plant is in front of your house, understood? And we also do the puja of this plant, understood? So it is tulsi plant right here. We will start tulsi plant in the box right, understood? Now after that, point one. Here is one more plant. It is nothing but pumpkin, and pumpkin means kumbalkai, what we call. So you can see the fruits here, yellow color fruits, reddish yellow color, and see the plant how it is growing. It is not growing straight, it is growing, it is creeping on the ground and growing. Creep ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆನೇ ಬೆಳೀತಿರ್ತದೆ, ಬಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದವರಿಗೆ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಇದು ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ? ಸಿ ಇವನ್ ಕುಕಂಬರ್, ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸಹಿತ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರೆಕಾಯಿ, ಅದು ಸಹಿತ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟರ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಕೈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್, ಅದು ಸಹಿತ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್, PUMPKIN, ಪಂಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ growing in this wheat plant. These plants are wheat. Understood? Thanks for watching. ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, so you can see this is the such plants. Some plants are weak, and they cannot grow. Weak ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳಕಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಇಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕ್ರೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳಿತೈತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ರೀಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಹಬ್ಬದೈತಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಕಾರಣ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. It is growing like this on the ground, understood? Now last one is the coconut tree. This is the coconut tree, you can see here, understood? In this coconuts will grow, and we use it in your cooking, for cooking and all we use this, and also we get oil from this plants. Coconut tree, COCONUT, coconut. So these are the some plants which you are very close to. These plants are very familiar to you, understood? These are not unknown plants, these are familiar plants for you. Now let me show you the plant here, plant with all the parts. Let me show you all the parts, understood? So this is the plant diagram. This is the plant diagram, and you can see the first one is root part. First one, this is root part. It is growing below the soil. ROOT, root. So it is growing below the soil. And next one, this part which is growing above the soil, it is called a stem part. STEM. This is called STEM, stem part. Understood? Down. This one will see these green color ones are called leaves. Understood? Not one leaf is there, many leaves are there. So we call it as leaf. One is there. So the latest right here leaf. These are the leaves, all the leaves. So one leaf is there. So this is a leaf, and you can see the flower here. Also you can see the fruit here, which is grown here. And this one, it is one more, this here grown here, it is called branch. The branch, fungi or branch, in English you call it as branch. So write branch here, understood? Root, once again, root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, branch. So these are the different parts of the plant. So this is also called as trunk. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. TRUNK trunk. Understood? Now. So write down here in next page. Next page of this one. Open page number 27. Page number 27 and write here. Write the other parts of the plant which you have identified. In page number 27, here they asked here the parts of the plant. Write the parts of the plant here. So write here. You write first parts of plant are. Parts of plant are. Parts of plant are. First, you can write here R denoting root. R denoting root. Then stem. Root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. So these are the different parts of a plant. Understood? Parts of a plant are root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Understood? These are the different parts of the plant. Keep in mind. Understood? Root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Understood? So root grow inside the soil and the stem above the soil. Stem part is nelad ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Root part ನೆಲದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. And leaves they are growing on the stem part. And flowers and fruits also will be growing on the stem part, branch part of the stem part. And seeds will be present inside the fruits. ಇದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ನ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬೆಳೀತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾವು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸೀಡ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೀಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? one seed will be there in mango. In chiku and all, chiku, apple, grapes, although jati seeds are understood? Mango fruit have got only one seed. Understood? Now keep in mind this one. Now coming to next page, that is page number 27 here only, and here they are shown two plants here, and one is small one is very big one. Understood? One is very small and one is very big one. So small one is called herb. H-E-R-B herb. Understood? And bigger one is called tree. Small is called herb, H-E-R-B herb. Whereas bigger one is called what? Tree. T-R-W tree. Okay, no? So plant and understood? This is the plant. And this is the tree. Understood? So small plants are called herbs. The small plants are called as herbs. Understood? And the big trees are called trees. Understood? Now here, let me write here. If you write this one, I love this. So that let me write here. Small plants are called small plants are called herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Understood? These small plants are called herbs. And what are these called? Big trees, big and tall plants big and tall plants. Big and tall plants are called trees. Are called trees. T R E. So small plants are called herbs, whereas big and tall plants are called trees. Understood? So these are herbs, these are trees. Keep in mind. Now coming to page number 28. Page number 28 open. Now let me wrap this one. You have understood which are the parts of the plant and also what are herbs and what are trees. And now see page number 28 here. Now observe carefully the plants of bitter gourd, grapes and snake gourd. Do they look like trees or shrubs? If not, then what do you call them? So here you can see that this is the grape plants, grapes, Drakshigara. Drakshigara nodilala yaru. So this is the grape plant. So you can see how the plant is growing straightly. The straight it is taking the support of other plants. Grape plants or bitter gourd plants and even snake gourd. So these plants they take the support of other plants. They take the support of other plants and they grow. So because the stem is not weak, stem is weak one. Weak ಅಂದ್ರೆ soft ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Stem is important. It is very soft, cannot grow straightly. So these are in grape plants, in bitter gourd plants, the stem is weak, so they creep and grow on the ground. Just now I told you that show you the plant that is climber or creeper. So you might have listened to elders at home talking about bitter gourd, creeper, grapevine and pumpkin creeper. Don't these have thin and long stem and creepers need support to grow. Creepers grow on land. Creepers always they grow on the land. So like this just now I told you, this is the creeper plant. They creep and grow on the ground. Understood? In pumpkin and in this bitter gourd, cucumber. Understood? These fruits they will grow in the such plants. ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಥ ಗಿಡವಾಗಿನೇ ಬೆಳಿತಾವೆ. ನಾವು these plants are called creepers. These plants are called as creepers. And climbers, great plants, it is growing on. It is taking the support of wall. ಈಗ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಗಿಡ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಅದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬೆಳಿತಾವೆ. ನಾವು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ದಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ವಾಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ climbers. Grape planting and climber and celebrity. Sit properly. See, they are called as climbers. Climbers andre climb by very ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳೆತಾವೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಹತ್ತೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಏನಿದ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ದ other plants and grow, or other trees take the support of ಬೇರೆ ಹಿಡಿದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ. Now here let me show some plants here which are totally different. See, as in your class so many stones are there. Understood? In your class many stones are there, but you know that same all stones are not the same. Understood? All are not same in looking. Some are, and all of you have different names. Understood? All of you have different names, and the same way plants have different names. Understood? All of you in the same shape and size, all of you are different. How you all are different in your shape or size? In the shape of looking shape is looking. How you look, all of you look different. In the same way, plants will look different among themselves. Understood? You can see how all the plants are different from each other. And size, some of you are tall, some are short, understood? Some are medium size. The same way, plants too are of different sizes, not same size. You can see this. So you can see the coconut tree here, mango tree, banana tree, understood? Grape plants, and also pumpkin plant. So these all are trees. They are different. Name are different. And the stem is different. You can see the stem, leaves are different, the flowers are different, and the stem of fruit is different, seeds are different. Totally everything is different, but still we call them as the plants. Understood? And like if you compare, and it's life of these plants or trees is just like human beings only. See, as we all are, or you all are different from each other. Understood? And you are having different names, different shape, different size, different home. That's the way plants should. They don't grow in one place only. They grow in different places with a different shape, size, names, and all. And so, but still we call them as plants, not trees. Understood? So, as we call you as the second standard students. Understood? You belong to Sainiketan school, and you are the students of second standard. In the same way, we also call them as plants or trees group. Understood? So now this is about once again coconut tree, mango tree, banana tree. This is papaya tree, grapes plant, and pumpkin plant. So these are the different these plants and climbers, creepers are shown. Understood? Now coming to the shape and size of the trunks of these plants are different. Trunk means a stem part. Now open page number 29 and let me show you some of the things here. So here what they have asked? They have asked page number 29 open. So write the names of plants you have seen under the following groups. They have asked to write the name of the plants and trees, climbers and creepers in the column. You are supposed to write in the column here, and also how the leaves are different. And just now I told you how all the stems are different. Even you can see how all the plants leaves are different from each other. They are different from each other. You can observe the shape and size of the leaves. All are green in color, but they are different in their shape and size. So you can see the now. So we do something. So some leaves are small, some leaves are big, and shape of the leaves are also different. The shape of the leaves are different, and usually all the leaves are green in color. Just now I told you that all the leaves are different in color. And now let me show you the shape of one leaf from page number 30. also one leaf and you also try to draw them. So here, this is a leaf. So the leaves, this is the type of leaf. One more leaf let me draw here. One more leaf here. Now, this is the called as middle line. This is the middle line, and also see the leaves will be like this. Now, I think you can identify this plant. This one, it is nothing but the banana leaf. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana leaf. And you are using it when any function is there in your house, you are using it for eating. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬಾಳೆದೆಲೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬನಾನಾ ಲೀಫ್. How it is, you can see the shape here. And why drawing is see that see color the pictures of the leaves given below. You can color these leaves. So I am showing you one more part here how it is, see the shape. In this way, the plants leaves are different from each other. Understood? So in this way, you can see these are different, and this is different, and this is different. Understood? So you can color these leaves with green color. Understood? So this is the homework for you. Very simple work I given you. Try to color the leaves. Understood? Thank you for attending classes.